Evolution for aha Ghana TV GH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And to assembly so ebusiavo. Nya musi pain 38%. Me na maso live awobehwe. The minimum no one na adwenye. Mita kando ka kire nurses for ni say. Look, you people are forcing Mita kando I'm here health minister Dodo. Minta kando no. I'll see. Nurses for amuti fie. 2022 batch, 2023. No, in fact 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. I have 5 years. 5 batches. 5 batches of nurses amuti fie no. I'll see. You people should stop giving him pressure. Say, mupe employment. Na mu prekrado do. Minta kando no. Mimba ma me block ko campaign mienu bi na yento aso. Minta kando see. You should stop giving him pressure, unnecessary pressure say mu pe juma. Na se mu manu pressure sa juma no de obetimi afa mu. Ba sika ye de betua mu de onye bi. That is the health minister speaking to unemployed graduate nurses. Omubisa say, Ejuma will promise ye no. Because during the campaign time, no, John Mahama, His Excellency, went around to tell your nurses for ne say, Muntu Abama NDC. NDC ba automatic posting. Unya wie u service pay. Unya juma no. Uye service pay. Unya juma no. And nurses for we so Minim dear era of my dream during election year. Election year must be ayom bibi. Election year no. And the okay bia no muntida. Ye catch them say debut NDC for we ye ni momu. We know them. We've been with them. Omu ye 419 setters. Asema omu kade bia no omu meni. Right? Ye kanyina nesis for we muntida. Mama koto abano ene ye ka kire mu se juma amope no ye tumi nya hushu aban ni tumi nya hushu na se mu force aban no se on fam by force onu de obefa mu but scout be tua mu de bi ni ho. And it is true asema o kan ye no kre ene se fire for mu 2024 batch no se 14 months entua mu kai. So the health minister is telling you indirectly say what is happening to your seniors. I 2020 batch of nurses Amaya Juma 1 year 2 months. I am Mukano. Prepare that your employee will feel more. You two are going to go through the same thing. Your employee will next year who super for the same thing. Your employee will 2028 who super for the same thing. Say Musi Aba Papa Aba. Prophet Amwaku Akwaba, why? Thank you for liking. That is one of my nephews. Or your D4 Yami D4. Right? Aban papa amusi abano enunye me see e come no e be de ye nyina o bako eti say how is boku dia boku e come no be de ye nyina no one will be out of it. And that is how come in 2028 people will come back to their senses. Next Gina, thanks for power tapping. So for yen power tapping why e come abe die o man S baby akwaba. It will be the reason for people getting back to their senses in 2028. And the next is for Omanya Omudie. Yes, stop forcing Mita Kando. Stop forcing Danny Hall Prefect, no? Trump God, thanks for liking. Stop forcing the Danny Hall Prefect. As I say, Minister of Health. Naska Niho. Na seska wo ade na oya koji kind of saying loan to pay government workers. Mati bida from Rawlings time to Kufuor to Atamels to Akufo-Addo. Have you ever heard say any president or mampeni bia enya kukudro bejina or mine nim say yakwa koji loan be 18 billion et de tuer government workers ka. Moi ti bida. I say musa ban papa aba. Ana nya ban papa. Yo.
Or no, the revenge, no, I just say the second coming. No. Someone say Bible craft can say Yankupon the second coming. No, a bay just say a mobile one cassa. The second coming, no, a mobile and then to John Dramani Mahama, Bana Wabano. A year or none the bushia for all but me, the other besides say. Aya revenge no Obama Ghana for na. Because then can you revenge pa dia? E can be did say e dimpa ye che ahonya ana yes I dem penifo kan. E dimpa e ye che ahonya. Enti senka ya papa fufuo e ba ye no wa ba beja ni din wa pepa ni din ho to say gold asan throw the din abon ho shen. And a wager kwa oko. Ya papa atames buy energy or no di owo ntino. Ye ntumi nka na asem bebre. Na niema nkoye so anka modi be hye na nyunyam no. Wo so wo baaye no na wo beji ni nyina faaye. Ina say ya papa de obaaye no wa mboba bre bia. Ono obaaye no wa mba mbebobra. Te say wa ba beji na nyunyam nyina afa. Eno nkonkwada ya papa na ekufu ado e baaye wase mesu edimpa sibia ne papa baaye obebo obra bebo din egi ni din no nti eno so no edimpa no so huhia echen ahonyade nti den no so yeye ono so den ono so de bibi baaye a ene weden weja ne din ho ugo free SHS a yenim bebi efiba Ubo agenda 111 na yenim baby fever. Ubo drones a yenim baby fever. Which means edimpa no ehu nya chen ahode. Na papa we ba ye yenim say. Na nka wo de. Oh, first one a wo ba ye no, wo se we nhia de. Wakotene fie. Wakotene fie akwakosua enema. Nki yenim say nka wo ba die, nka wo ba ba ye enema sonko a Ghana for better troll say yampa say papa wakwa kosua ade ampa enya de tua bi no kosua ayo revenge na waba obi nkan try me papa ba ye ade ampa na waye oba ye de ampa na ekoso wo Ghana ho nya ye te Ghana ade ampa na ekoso me dia me hu hwio Menu mi hu she. Mi hu se bi den. Koso.
Diva, dollar swati.
Me pa cho mi ndi dollar ni
dollar swati.
Diva,
my claim mi ndi dollar. Me koto adia mi di cedi na eto.
When him say Ndra minister, Asante regional minister, Beso Lives, say, and your ma ye wa Asante region, no. Afeli oboye kumawu oboye hwan school so musi within be 1 year nyoman dan omasisi no ne ade no and I'm say and that means oma ye adwuma pa wa Asante region pa
Yo I can't say Woods me no Ashanti region me nim ho to be honest with you me nim ho inti ho asem de me ntumi nka bebre say bia Ashanti region me nim ho me baby me nim yetafo eno kwa na me ko training college no na you change but kwa de change ya na me ba enti me nim ho
so si sa papa no so si da we
na 2023 so no
afeli mi ko na afeli je no so no
enti kumasi asem de enti mo amu fi se mo nim kumasi no mo fa me ma no
no eno omo de rambo se twatwa kwa mu sa e wo guru no ade azie ko so wa Asante region
ayo enti no mo amu nim Asante region ye pa no me pa chomo fa mama no left right center front backwards na on gini na beside ye bi me de obi sa me de me nim ho ntie bia me kwaka bibia na makwa akoye ignorance me pese memo obi ehu se sa na gay crampo nim be onim Asante region I me nim ho enye news enti de me kwa ma asem so no na nkufu ado so baaye no obeji ni din ebu ede niema by ebi an say ye can say me bra right call okay o ka kire say na ekufo ado omudi Rambos omoya Rambo style wow no me de kwa kwotwem no omo ba ye den pa no maye nti when you na kire wo say papa we your ba no enye we bi eno ye den oba be ye enye bibi o anase nye Ghana fo munti eno ba ye na emom no oba ma ono ene nebusua oba ma ne ho ene ne nua Ibrahim say Ibrahim be ye billionaire na watu top private jet e bimba ada na yaka na wakacha Ghana fo say enye we ya enkenye John Dramani Mahama ene ne nua convoy yo yate no mo de wow mo di chiechia ni pa so e kan kwara isi akwama so ba ko cry I think say emu ye me ye because noise ne doso oba say onu ni nua John Dram ye kan say Ibrahim Mahama omo ba be wia oman abo man from no mo dia enrichi omo ho na enye sa na Akufo Addo ba ye wo wo man ni mu wen tu kwan anko ba bia adenti na sa black voter no pa won kwana na Akufo Addo administration ho na mun konkosi nkunwa na kan chese na Akufo Addo black voter mepe na mo munua ba ye ho na ya pone ama na me bisa se time na Akufo Addo ewo so no na papa no na jeta cement na omo nta na a wenye sika amfa nkoto private jet with few years aninu ba ye we kukuru sika twitwi dia a che say wo body nkra me body nkra na kukuru mi abo nti I don't want to mention it na odi akokoto sa private jet ya ba besiwa everything tell bibia catch everything tell us say papa we all ba no ne ho e na oba ba enriche